In this training aid, we will look at how to fold a map. Let's look at a map being folded in real time. Now, let's break that down into stages. Firstly, lay the map out flat, facing you, with the legend on the right-hand side. Then, fold the map in half horizontally, so the bottom half goes under the top. Next, fold in half again, and then fold out to create a middle crease. Now, fold one of the ends of the map into the middle crease. Repeat this with the other side. Then, fold one of the ends of the map out to the edge and repeat this action on the other side. Now, turn the entire map over and fold the edge of the map into the center crease and repeat this on the other side. Fold in half at the center crease to form a fan. Take the map and rub the center of the map over the edge of a table in order to tighten the creases. Finally, fold the map in half so that the legend is clearly visible on the outside. Your map should now be folded. Let's look at that again in QuickTime.